Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to deploy KubeNow on a bare metal server. My name is Nuruddin Sadawi, I'm a member of staff at Imperial College London, and I'm recording this on the 14th of February 2017. What a romantic date. Let's begin the tutorial by having a look at what KubeNow is. KubeNow is a stack of tools that's developed to help provision Kubernetes on cloud platforms. It's developed as part of the Phenomenal project. You can visit this website to find more details about what the Phenomenal project is and what it involves. And it's basically developed to deploy the Phenomenal VRE, the virtual research environment, on these cloud platforms. Where it was developed is it's developed at Uppsala University in Sweden. And if you'd like to find more information and details about what KubeNow is, then you can visit this website, kubenow.readerdocs.mio. To have a look at the actual stack of tools, KubeNow is a thin layer developed on top of Terraform and Ansible. The VRE sits on a Kubernetes cluster with Weave overlay network. Traffic is used as a load balancer, so to balance requests to the services that are run in the cluster. Cloudflare is used as a DNS as a service provider that is used to set up domain names for the services on the go, basically to do that on the fly. And then Let's Encrypt is used to retrieve HTTPS certificates for each service that runs on HTTPS. And then we've got Jupyter and Galaxy, which are the services that the end user wants to access. So these are run as Docker containers basically on top of their cluster. Usually Jupyter is used to do interactive analysis with Python or R, whereas Galaxy is a workflow system that can spawn the jobs as Docker containers into the actual cluster. So this is the original KubeNow stack. However, because we are going to deploy it on a bare metal server, we have a slightly different version, although it's the same stack, but now we're running it on virtual boxes. So we're running it on a CentOS server using Vagrant. So the stack now is slightly different. This is what we're going to install. It's going to be on CentOS 7.5 Linux using Vagrant. It will be sitting on Kubernetes using Weave overlay network, using Traffic, and then we will deploy Galaxy and Jupyter. All will be done using Ansible. Before we begin, the tools that are required are Git, so because we'll be checking out and cloning GitHub repositories, and we need to use Packer version 0.10.2 or higher to basically build a KubeNow cloud image on the host cloud. This is, of course, if you're running this configuration on the cloud services. Terraform 0.10.2 or higher to build a KubeNow cloud image on the host cloud. So again, this is required if you're using this configuration. Basically, if you're using it to deploy on some cloud providers. In our case, we'll only need Git, Packer, and Ansible. Ansible, the minimum version is 2.1.2.0, of course, or higher. This will be used to provision the virtual machines, install and configure networking, reverse proxy, and things like that. And everything we're going to be running in this tutorial, we will run it on CentOS 7.5. This is quite interesting stuff. I look forward to going through it, so keep watching and I'll see you in the next video.